Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are back over here with Slide King, Bobby. We just found out some bad news.
It's bad, like for now bad, but
They are hoping to put this block back. Figured out why I was losing oil. Shit was going crazy.
right there.
See that crack right there? That's where the oil pump goes.
And the crack travels into the ring valley right there, or into the bearing valley. So, and you can see over here on the bearing valley where you can feel this right here. You can feel it enough with your fingernail that it's not good. So with that crack being there, all it's doing is allowing the pump to walk like in and out a little bit and putting stress on this bearing and blowing this bearing out. The rest of them look okay. And I just asked my buddy if he could weld it for us, but he said with where it's at and everything, you'd have to have it machined back to tolerance in order for it to be okay. And so it's more money than what it's worth to try and do it.
Alright, so there y'all have it.
But we have backups. I have two of these motors in a trailer over yonder that we're going to be actually getting out today. So maybe one of those will be good enough to build, so this video won't be so short today.
Yeah, so we're gonna pull those two motors out, see which one we go with. I have the one at the shop that has the Z1 tune on it that I'm gonna hand over to him because I don't do that pop stuff. And I have my spear block that's been machined for 20 over. I'm not looking to buy pistons right now because they're like $900 to $1,200. So we're gonna pull those out of the trailer, see which one we're gonna go with, and go from there. All right, guys. So since this block is crap, hold these two out, and we're thinking we're gonna strip that one down, inspect that one, and
PQs everywhere.
go with the build from there.
That bolt's bent.
Which bolt?
And the crank.
Oh, we just got a new crank anyway.
Okay.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
got
that bolt's bent or broke off in there.
Yeah, well, it's just but we got a new crank anyway, so we should be good.
Yeah.
The new drift build, right there.
She gonna be a wire we wire.
The who?
Words are hard.
Words. Well, here we have it. Slide King's next drift build. We just took all the stuff out of it. It ain't that, man. If you look at it like a lot of work, you will never be complete. If you look at it like fun,
Except for you remember the project's never done.
yeah, the projects are never ended.
This is not a lot of work.
Yeah.
You put a motor, trans, go through the motor.
Well, we don't have to go through the motor anymore because I'm getting his motor that was that's said to be known good.
Yeah.
Running driving.
With the ECU.
So we don't have to do shit.
The harness?
The harness is in there.
It's been a day. The end of today's video.
How many different color shirts am I wearing?
Yeah, we're all set. Alright, came, looked at the VQ. Block is messed up. I went, looked at the BMW, diagnosed. We're gonna go, they're gonna go pick that up during the week. Offloaded 2 more VQs. Two trans, and a whole bunch of parts sitting over here, and this. So, get this drift build going. So, catch you on this video. I am tired of shit. I'm about to go home and shower. Alright. Appreciate y'all watching as always, and stay tuned for the next video. Alright.
Like, subscribe, comment. That is what you need to do.
Like what he said.
If you don't, we're gonna come spit on your windows.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong.